Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching In Trends and today's video is hashtag makeup in trends. So if you want to see how I created this look which I'm wearing right now, so do watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how very simply using just one palette you can create this entire look and which is going to look super fab. And without wasting any time, quickly let's get started with the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe to my channel for more such beauty hacks and lifestyle hacks. So I will first of all prime my face with this aloe vera gel from Patanjali, post which I'm going to prime my lips. I'm here using a regular Nivea lip balm for priming my lip. Next I'm going to apply foundation on my face. Here I am using Lakme a Perfect Finish foundation. You can go with any CC cream or BB cream, whatever you feel like. Next I'm going to set my foundation with a compact powder or any loose powder. Now I'm going to fill my eyebrows, but before that I am going to use a spoolie to brushen up my brows. Here I have taken this light brown shade to fill my eyebrows. After brushing up, I'll fill my brows with this brown shadow color. After my brows have completely been filled, I'll be moving to eyeliner. Guys, this is a totally optional step. You can skip eyeliner. I am going to put this eyeliner in a very thin line so that my eyes look a little more defined because I have literally very small eyes. Next I'm going to apply a little bit of blush on my cheeks. Here I'm using Lakme 925 blush for doing so. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to smoke my under eyes a little bit using this extremely dark brown color. Remember guys, always use a darker color on the outer side of your eyes and a lighter shade on the inner side of your eyes for giving it a little defined look. Now I'm going to put a shimmery shade on the inner corners of my eye so that my eyes look a little bit more bigger than it is. The next step is putting on mascara. This is a very important step in a daily makeup look. Next I'm going to put a brown shade of lipstick that I really love, but this is quite not matte, so I'm going to mattify it using compact powder. In the next step I'm going to put kajal on my waterline. Next I'm going to put highlighter on the high points of my face. This is also an optional step. You can also skip this step. So this is how exactly the daily makeup look looks like. I hope you like this video, and if you do not forget to like, share, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates from In Trend.